Editing film, the basics. Filmmaking is an art that involves various stages, and one of the most crucial and essential stages is film editing. Film editing is the process of selecting, arranging, and manipulating various shots or sequences of a film to create a final product that conveys the intended message to the audience. It involves combining various parts of a film, such as visuals, sound, dialogue, and music, to create a cohesive and engaging story that captivates the viewers. In this article, we will explore the basics of film editing and discuss some essential techniques and principles that every filmmaker should know. Understand the purpose of your film. The first step in film editing is to understand the purpose of your film. What message do you want to convey to your audience? What emotions do you want them to feel? Answering these questions will help you to identify the primary theme and mood of your film. It will also help you to create a rough outline or storyboard of the shots and scenes that you need to film to tell your story effectively. Get organized. Once you have a clear understanding of the purpose of your film, the next step is to get organized. Organizing your footage is crucial when it comes to film editing. It can be tempting to jump right in and start piecing your footage together, but taking the time to organize it properly will save you a lot of time and headache in the long run. Start by reviewing all of your footage and taking detailed notes on each shot. Identify the best takes and categorize them by scene or sequence. Create bins or folders for each scene and label them clearly. This process will help you to stay organized and easily locate the footage you need when it's time to start editing. Choose your shots carefully. The shots you choose to include in your film can make or break your project. It's essential to choose your shots carefully and thoughtfully. Start by selecting the best takes for each scene and arrange them in the order that best conveys your story. When selecting shots, consider the following. Composition: is the shot framed well? Is the subject in focus? Lighting: is the lighting appropriate for the scene? Is it too bright or too dark? Continuity: do the shots flow smoothly from one to the next? Emotion: does the shot convey the intended emotion or mood of the scene? Use transitions appropriately. Transitions are used to connect two shots or scenes together. There are various types of transitions, such as cuts, fades, dissolves, wipes, and more. The key to using transitions effectively is to use them sparingly and appropriately. Overusing transitions can be distracting and take away from the story you are trying to tell. Here are some common transitions and when to use them. Cuts, used to connect shots in a fast-paced sequence or to create contrast between two shots. Fades, used to indicate a passage of time or to signal the end of a scene. Dissolves, used to create a seamless transition between two shots or to indicate a change in location or time. Wipes, used to create a dramatic change between two shots or to signal a new chapter in the story. Pay attention to sound. Sound is just as important as visuals when it comes to film editing. Sound can create an emotional response in the audience and enhance the overall viewing experience. There are several types of sound that you should consider when editing your film. Dialogue: ensure that the dialogue is clear and audible. If necessary, add subtitles or captions to ensure that the audience can follow along. Music: music can add emotion and energy to a scene. Choose music that fits the mood or tone of the scene. Sound effects: sound effects, such as footsteps, doors opening and closing, and cars driving by, can add realism to a scene. When editing sound, remember to pay attention to levels. Ensure that the dialogue, music, and sound effects are balanced, and not too loud or too soft. Pace your film appropriately. The pacing of your film can make all the difference in how engaging it is to the audience. The pace should match the mood and tone of the scene. A slow pace can be used to build suspense or tension, while a fast pace can be used to create excitement or chaos.